Hey jet setters! Today we're tackling the art of surviving those marathon flights. So buckle up and let's dive into our first tip. Tip number 1, choose your seat wisely. An aisle seat offers mobility, while bulkhead seats provide extra leg room. Remember, a comfortable seat can make all the difference. Tip number 2, stay hydrated and active. Regularly sip water and dodge caffeine or alcohol. Stand, stretch, and stroll occasionally. Don't forget, movement is key to avoiding stiffness. Tip number 3, pack comfort essentials. Your must-haves should include a neck pillow, eye mask, earplugs, and layers for changing temperatures. With these essentials, you'll be as comfy as can be. Tip number 4, entertainment and time management. Preload devices with captivating content. Also, adjust your watch to your destination's time zone. Stay entertained and in sync with your destination. Tip number 5, pack healthy snacks like nuts or fruits. Consider natural sleep aids such as lavender oil or soothing music for relaxation. Remember, the goal is to arrive refreshed and ready for adventure. Bonus tips: bring a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated without relying on flight attendants. Dress comfortably in loose, breathable clothing for long flights. Long-haul flights don't have to be daunting. Remember these tips to make your journey more comfortable and enjoyable. You'll arrive feeling refreshed and ready for your adventure. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more travel and lifestyle tips. Safe travels!